You guys, Toyota Camry hybrid. There's a engine misfire. And I start the car. There's a misfire. There's a misfire on number 4. The engine is vibration. And the engine is vibration. The spark plug is good. So I need to remove this injector. Just to clean the injector. So guys, I remove now the intake. This is the intake manifold. This is the injector, GDI injector. This is the normal injector that need to clean. I remove the injector now, and this is the GDI injector, and this is the normal injector. You see that is very dirty. Need to clean this injector cleaner. This is a GDI injector cleaner. Now I put the injector. And start. This is the low pressure test of the GDI injector. The injector now is good. So let's check this is the high pressure spray test. So number 10. Number 10 is the high pressure. Start. So guys, now the injector is all good. So it's the same spray. And that's it. clean the injector. Let's put it back. That's the engine of hybrid Camry. And then the lock of injector. And this the pipe. So the injector is done, and the injector at the plastic, the GDI. Next, the intake manifold. So guys, finish after put the intake and the injectors. Now let's start the car. That's a Camry hybrid. It's a battery hybrid. Start. And switch push button. So now it's good. Sa Toyota Camry. So now it's good. The engine is not vibrational.